Hello, hope you're doing well today. I got a tip from Jonelle that she used the lemon oil to clean out her fridge. So normally I use lemon oil on things like taking off stickers or glue from like mirrors and glass, things like that. I know that someone had an old piece of furniture that was kind of sticky, and so they used the lemon oil to get that off. So I'm going to show you the tip from Jonelle that she used in her fridge. Okay, so I cleaned my fridge not too long ago, but I'm going to go ahead and wipe it down. There is a sticky part in the back here. Let's see what I can get. See how it's right here, and even just using this towel, it's just getting lint all over it, but it's sticky right there and not coming off. So I'm going to use just a couple drops of the lemon oil and let it sit for a little bit, and then take my rag and it just cleans it all off. So I've got just a little bit more right there, but that whole big area here, it's already taken off. So just one more drop of lemon oil and it will be all gone. No harmful chemicals.